General Awnings. In this video, we'll guide you through the installation of the Series 1500 aluminum door canopy with Sidewings. Before starting your installation, carefully read the assembly manual for safety guidelines and assembly tips. Refer to the installation manual for a full list of included parts. Use safety glasses during the process. And wear work gloves when handling metal components. Some parts may have sharp edges. Assembly. Step 1. Assemble the canopy slats. Lay out the first slat curl side down on your left. If your canopy is colored, place the colored side facing down. The canopy is assembled upside down, on a flat, clean surface. Slide each additional slat into the curled up edge on the right, ensuring a secure interlock. Keep the natural curve of the slats facing the same direction for a proper fit. Proper alignment prevents water from leaking through the seams. Repeat until all slats are fully connected. Step 2. Crimp the slats. Keep the slats flush with one another. Use channel lock pliers to gently crimp each seam, about 1/4 inch from the edge. Do not over-crimp. Apply just enough pressure to hold them together. Crimp both sides while keeping the pliers level to avoid bending the slats. Step 3. Attach the top trim. Slide the top trim onto the left end of the slat section, with the pre-punched holes facing up. Step 4. Attach the front gutter. At the right end, slide the front gutter onto the slats. Make sure the slats are correctly seated in the gutter channel. Ensure pre-punched holes are facing up. Step 5. Install the edge rafters. Pull the top trim out about 2 inches. Slide the non-curved end of the edge rafter onto the top trim. The curved end of the rafter should face up. Then, push both the top trim and edge rafter back into place, until the slat section is completely flush inside the rafter. Safety tip: use the palm of your hand to guide and snug the slats into position. Repeat for the other edge rafter. Step 6. Secure the edge rafters. Connect the edge rafters with the front gutter. Ensure all parts are flush and aligned with the pre-punched holes. Only the outside edge of the front gutter and the curled edge of the slat insert into the edge rafter. Secure everything using small screws through the large pre-punched holes at both ends. It is very important that both ends, the top trim and the front gutter ends along with the slat section, are completely flush in the edge rafter to be able to align pre-punched holes for assembly. Step 7. Add the side screws. Insert small screws into the 2 larger holes along each edge rafter. Pairs of small holes are for the installation of Sidewings. Apply pressure underneath the slats when fastening for a tight fit. Make sure to fully secure both edge rafters. Step 8. Attach the canopy rafter. Line up the canopy rafter with the center holes in the top trim. Secure with small screws, tighten firmly, but don't over-tighten. Repeat for the front gutter side. Note: canopies wider than 60 inches will have more than one rafter. Follow the pre-punched holes for placement. Step 9. Install interlock clips. At each slat joint, insert the curved end of an interlock clip. Slide it into place over the canopy rafter. Install the clips on the flat section of the canopy, and not on the curved areas. If the clips are tight, make sure they're aligned straight. There may be a different number of clips, depending on the canopy size. Step 10. Attach the Sidewings. Match the sidewing brackets to the pre-drilled holes in the edge rafters. Slide into place and secure with small screws. Do not over-tighten. Repeat on the opposite side. For canopies 85 inches or wider, install a support arm in the center of the front gutter. Installation. Before installation, ensure you have at least 13 inches of clearance above the door. For low mount Sidewings, 6 inches is sufficient. Step 1. Mount the bar. Install the mounting bar with large screws above the door. Screws must anchor into studs or heavy sheathing. Make sure the bar is level and centered. Next, apply caulking along the top edge of the mounting bar for weather sealing. Step 2. Attach the canopy. With assistance, lift the front of the canopy and insert the top trim into the mounting bar. Slowly lower the front, letting the side wings rest against the wall. From underneath, insert the small screws through the top trim into the mounting bar. Step 3. Secure the side wings. Adjust the side wings vertically and attach to the house using large screws. For wide canopies, install the support arm with deluxe castings at the desired pitch. Ensure the door opens fully before finalizing. Congratulations! Your Series 1500 aluminum door canopy with side wings is now installed. Brought to you by General Awnings.